Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the cartridge now. Hold it so the feed end faces you and avoid touching the adhesive. Use a small screwdriver or pry tool to release the latch and place any screws in a tray. Once the shell lifts, observe the tape path and spool orientation. Take a quick photo if needed so reassembly is exact. You want to identify any jammed tape, broken hubs, or peeled leader. Those are the issues we will fix next. You now clear the jam and reset tension. First, free any trapped tape by gently pulling while holding the feed roller steady. If the tape is wrinkled, cut a clean edge and seat it under the guide, then wind the supply spool a few turns to tension the strip. Make sure the tape lies flat across the applicator roller and that the leader is firmly attached to the hub. Otherwise, reattach with a small amount of glue and let it set briefly. You finish by reassembling and testing the correction tape. Align the cover and press tabs until they click or reinstall screws snugly but not over-tightened. Then test the dispenser on scrap paper 3 to 5 times, applying even pressure to confirm the tape dispenses and adheres without peeling. If you see misalignment or uneven feeding, reopen and check guide rails and gear teeth for wear. Replace any damaged components. One troubleshooting tip: if tape
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.